Okay,
go.
Do not
do this at home.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, go. Okay, go. Take it. Okay, go.
Wait, hold on.
Angie, are you going to play or not?
Go.
What do I do?
Go. Oh my God. Don't worry, you're not gonna slip. Oh my God, girl. How you doing? Are you good?
Angie!
Yeah. Robbie. Okay, take a video of me. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. I won't.
Robbie, pull me up, boy. Thank you.
Okay, my turn.
You like see my life.
Okay, come on. Okay, my turn. You're holding my leg, so I have to trust you.
You're here to test me, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna trust you.
Alright. Dude, Robbie's gonna have to help you.
Slip all over your panties are showing.
Ooh.
Okay, go. Okay.
Alright.
I trust you with all my life. This is my life
ready?
we're talking about here.
Did you click it?
No.
We're talking about my life
I
here.
know. Alright, I got you.
Okay.
Go. You videotaping this.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Go. Start climbing.
Oh my God.
Start climbing.
Oh my God.
Start climbing.
I want to fall like you did.
You want to fall like
No,
me?
I don't want to
Oh.
fall like you did.
You're slipping.
Stop! Stop scaring me like that.
Robbie, help me. You want help?
Oh my God! Help me out.
Robbie.
Don't let go, Lauren.
I won't.
Wait, I'm videotaping.
Holy crap. Holy
I'm
crap.
videotaping.
Whoa. Okay, stop videotaping! I'm pretty scared.
Okay, I stop.
You got stuck there before! God!
I'm watching the video. It's good.
Oh, crap.
Angie, grab my leg.
Okay. Oh, this is a good movie.
Bobby! Give me my other shoe!
Okay.
Dude!
I'm holding.
Freaking ball.
I go like,
Where's my other shoe? I need it!
okay?
Oh my God!
Are you good? Are you getting hurt? Are you getting Lauren?
You're freaking crazy.
Hey, look, I found your shoe. Private part, like. Did my treasure?
Dude, if I was a guy, I would be bleeding right now. I freaking hate you!
What happened to your part? What happened to your part?
Ow.
No, let's pretend you're waking up from a pass out.
I'm in a coma. We're gonna start with my shirt.
An Angie Gonzalez production. An Angie Gonzalez
You
production.
freaking hurt me!